Hi Floyd, it's Brenda. We have some work to do for our client Absolute Force, and it has to do with Southwest Cash Flow, which is under them. I'm going to kind of give you a high-level overview here and then take you through a few pages. But there's an application that's going to be changed out on one of the web forms, and we need to add some questions. So we're going to add this question here: how much experience do you have in real estate? And then these are going to be, it's going to be a drop down, and then they're going to select one of these four things: personal home, no experience, some experience, full-time investor. So a drop down here. The next thing is this question: how much money do you want to earn annually from real estate? And it also will be a drop down, and then they can select, this range of numbers: 1,000, 100,000, 200,000, 250 to 500, 500 to a million. And then there's going to be a third question, which is, why should we work with you? And then that's going to be followed by a text box that they can key in, whoever is responding to that. And then when we go over the form, I'll show you where we're making this change. There's a question right now, or funds for investment, and we're going to change it to how much do you have to invest in real estate. And then you'll see on the form, this is not a drop down. There's like a bullet zero circle thing where they can select, just select it, and it's going to have these different money amounts in it. So let me go to, I'll bring this up. But it's my understanding, before you, get to this page, is that you'll go into Infusionsoft to create the custom fields. And I believe the steps in doing that, when you go into Infusionsoft, then you'll see Absolute Force, and I would imagine that you would go under there. And then you're going to go to Marketing, and then to Legacy, and then View Web Forms. And we want to update the one called Strategy Session. And then when the new fields are created and added into the web form, then you're going to take that code and add it to this page. So you're going to obviously do the work that needs to be done in Infusionsoft, and then which will allow you to have the code you need, add it to this page, and make the changes. So I want to go over where these changes are going to go. One second, sorry. On the attached Word document, where it shows we were asked to change funds for investment to replace this with how much do you have to invest in real estate, and then you'll still have these the zero dial things where you can click on, and but they want this to be like 0. You'll see how I typed it up for you. 0, and then 250, and then that's going to stay the same. 200,000 to 300,000 is the same, and then 300,000 to 400,000, that's the same. So they're making one change here, that 0 to 50,000. Then after this question here, type of investment you want, we want to insert the how much experience do you have in real estate under here, and then it has the drop down box, and then we want to follow that question with the other question: how much money do you want to earn annually from real estate? And then there'll be a drop down box. And then where this says comments, this is going to go away, and it's replaced with, why should we work with you? You'll see that as a third question on the Word document. And then, they'll have a text box. So, I'm sure you'll arrange that to where that looks right. So those are the steps to be done and the changes to be made. And if there's anything I have not provided you that you need, please let me know, okay? Thank you.